So if you want to use the rib for your neckline, this is what you do. You gotta test it. You cut this first to the measurements. You fold this like this. So now you gotta curve like this, stretch slightly the bottom. And steam down. Okay, we can do this. This is perfect rib.
Okay, good.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because if it stays curved down without no problem, then you can use this rib. But you have to cut your pattern smaller than your neckline so that you stretch the bottom and the top relaxes and it's down.
Yeah.
So how much
And once you
smaller?
release this, ta-da!
Oh, nice.
This is straight piece. So you have to put this like this. Arisa, your rib is okay, but not as good as Jared's rib. So this rib stayed more curved than this rib. So it's the weight and content makes the difference.